No.
Ulf, how are you feeling in this snow monkey park?
Feeling very good. Look
Huh?
at them. They're over here.
I mean, are you amazed to see monkeys around with sort of pink faces, and they are drinking from warm onsen water?
Even
You can see
swimming in it.
steams coming out of it. They're even swimming in it. Let's show you some of the action. Yeah. So
That was the action.
that was
it.
well. That's just part of the action. You can capture more of it. See this little guy sitting here. Hello, little guy. Let's catch some small babies. This is the one little baby.